In this video, you'll learn how to turn a simple image into a drip cutout design.
Let's get started.
First, open Canva and select the presentation option.
Next, head over to Uploads and select the image you had like to use for your drip cut design. Simply click this option to remove the background.
After removing the background, resize your image and position it as needed.
Once your image is set, head to Share and download it as a PNG file. Now, click the plus icon to add a new page. Select the second page, go to the Upload section,
And insert the image you just downloaded.
Now, click on the first page, open the Elements tab, and search for Drip. Once the results show up, switch to the Graphics section and click See All. You'll find lots of drip graphics here. Just pick the one that suits your style. Click this option to change the color, then choose Black from the Color panel. Place your cursor here and scroll up until the drip graphic comes into view. Click on your image, then open the Edit option. Scroll down the menu and select the Do Tone option.
Switch to the Custom option and click on it.
Click the off-white color circle, then drag the slider toward the black area to make it completely black. When your design is ready, simply head to Share and download it in PNG format. Now, go to the second page and add the design you downloaded earlier. Head over to the Apps section, type in Blend Image, and open the app by clicking on it. Once the app loads and shows more options, simply click on this image. Once you have selected the image, head to the top layer and choose Use Selected Image. Now, select the image that's beneath the black image. Now, head to the bottom layer and choose Use Selected Image. Scroll down and you will see the preview of your amazing drip style image ready to go. Simply click Add to Design to place it in your project. Remove the extra images and adjust the size of your new design. Right now, the white image on a white background doesn't look good, so we need to change the background color. Click on the background, then go to the color option to change it. Once you've set the background color, select your image and remove its background so it blends nicely with the design. Here it is, the finished result of your design. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.